Hi Sagittarius, welcome back to Omkara Tarot. Let's do a love read for you now. Sagittarius, these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you out there. So take what works for you, okay? Leave the rest. So Sagittarius, let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Sagittarius and send them the messages they need to hear the most about their love life now. Thank you. So, Sagittarius, let's begin with a blessing from our angels to top the reading, and then we'll start from there, okay? So, my angel spirit guides, advice, blessing, guidance, or a message for Sagittarius, please. This one, okay? Let's keep this here, Sagittarius. Let's put the rest back. And the card I have here for you, Sagittarius, is confidence. Now, confidence, of course, means confidence. Maybe you need confidence to face your partner or them, you. But actually, this card actually means this is the sword of Archangel Michael. Now, this is the power of truth. This sword is very, very mighty. This sword actually helps you cut away anything or anyone that's no longer good for you. Right? So this is like cutting off old connections, or also the sword of truth, of course. So let's see why this sword is here for you today, Sagittarius. What do you need for this sword for in this relationship? So welcome back, all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being so kind to me and supporting me and sending me so much love and beautiful comments, likes, shares. I'm very grateful. Thank you so much. And if you're new to the channel, Sagittarius, we welcome you to the Omkara family. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, and become part of us. We welcome you in. So, Saggis, newbies, welcome. Setting down two sets of cards here. One side is for you, one side is for your partner, and in the center, I'll have your mutual energies. Now, for the duration of the reading, Sagittarius, I will be referring this side as person A, this side as person B. You decide which side you resonate best with. And if any of you are looking for a private reading, Sagittarius, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. So bottom of my deck, I do see the moon upright. So now moon upright is like things are still not clear. Maybe people are keeping secrets from each other. There is a need for truth here, right? With the big sword out there. So let's see what's going on here. For person A, I have the Five of Wands, Queen of Swords, the Lovers, Four of Pentacles, High Priestess, and the Nine of Swords. Person B, Ten of Cups, Three of Cups, Queen of Wands, Two of Cups, Ace of Cups, and the Temperance in reverse. Let's take some dialogue message cards and see. Let's to roll off the reading and see if you guys could say something to each other, what that would be, Sagittarius. One more. Okay, let's take a few more from here, from the other deck. Okay, so we have our cards here, Sagittarius. Let's see what you guys want to say to each other, and then we'll go from there. The first card I have here says, whether together or apart, I feel a prisoner of your heart. You're all I want, my everything. I don't want to be free, for we are chained together in love. So I do see a bit of conflict, a bit of distrust, somebody releasing somebody or feeling released, and they're very, very stressed out about it on person A's side. That's what this person is saying. I don't want to be free. I want to be chained with you forever. It pisses me off how your karmic has photos of you all over social media trying to make out that you guys are happy. You and I both know this is complete bullshit. So maybe person A feels person B has another person, and they don't like it. They don't like that it's coming off as, this is a happy relationship and we are not in a relationship or something like that. I believe the best is yet to come. Keep praying, stay positive, and keep believing in us. So maybe these are just breadcrumbs being given by their partner to say, hey, listen, I can't be with you right now, but maybe one day. Who knew one of the greatest challenges of my life would be the love of my life, who after meeting would eternally haunt my very existence. So this is a strong bond which maybe you guys came together and now you're not together, and that is not being taken well, at least by one person here. I'll check out the other person later, but you knowingly brought me into a clusterfuck of a situation. I trusted you to do what was right and you let me down. One more. Deep in my heart, I know that you're the one for me. I promise my soul will be by your side for eternity. So this is again breadcrumbs, right? Deep in my heart, I know you're mine. My soul will be with you. But keep hoping, keep praying. Maybe one day we'll be together. But the other person is saying, what is happening here? So there's been some kind of a fight or a conflict here. There's been some kind of a fight. Person A is coming across with the 5 of Wands energy, which means there's been some kind of a conflict here, which has made person A feel very, very angry. Oh my God, this angry? Sagittarius? Queen of Swords in reverse with the Queen of Swords in reverse. This is the amount of anger, jealousy, upset, distrust this person is going through after whatever conflict has happened. I think they've suddenly realized, I've been made a fool. Somebody fooled me here. Person A is feeling like very foolish at whatever's been done or said in this conflict. So what's this 5 of Wands again, Spirit? 5 of Wands. Maybe somebody decided to move on or move away from this connection and end this connection. Now somebody decided, let's just keep going with the flow, and maybe the best is yet to come, and we'll talk about it later. And this kind of felt like a total betrayal to person A, who kind of trusted them and thought they would do the right thing. But now all they have is 3 fallen cups, and they are sitting here in regret and sorrow and sadness, which is making them feel very angry and very, very upset. So what's this Queen of, why is this Queen of Swords in reverse, Spirit? They've been enlightened to the fact that I think somebody's made a decision to release them. Somebody's made some kind of a decision to release them. I have this card again, 4 of Pentacles in reverse and the Choice card. So now they've kind of come to that conclusion, oh my God, I got made a fool here. Somebody made a decision here. My lover probably made a decision here to release me. What's this Emperor, Spirit? Yes, they feel their partner, who was someone they really looked up to, who they always felt would take charge of the relationship, would keep control of everything. They have secrets. They have secrets, and that has kind of totally overwhelmed person A to realize that now the secret is out, that I have been released. Yes. Person A is very angry. They're feeling that this was a very toxic relationship. This was, there's anger, there's upset, there's sorrow, there is a devil energy here. One more, Spirit. Maybe they've also realized that their partner was juggling them, and maybe that secret came out. Whatever secret came out whatever has happened here, Sagittarius, it's made person A very, very sad, very angry. No, more than sadness, I see anger at being released or their partner not fighting for this connection. So the High Priestess in reverse, Spirit, what's the secret that came out? that every time their partner said that they would return sooner than later, these were false promises. That's the secret that probably came out. And that has put this person A into a lot of stress and anxiety, not sleeping well at night and being stressed out, realizing that all these promises of one day I'll come back, one day we'll be together, keep praying, the best is still to come, keep believing in us, all this was false promises. Nine of Swords, Spirit. Nine of Swords. Nine of Swords. Nine of Swords. It's made person A feel very, very confused as to what's happened. They have a fear of change. They don't want to let go of this relationship. They don't want to fight with person A. They want to be still, I think, still be with person A still wants to be with person B. They are right now very confused, not being able to sleep. They are still wanting Sagittarius. This is your card. So this could be you on side A. This person A is still hoping and wishing and still kind of fantasizing that one day we can balance things out. Even knowing the truth, even feeling upset, angry, knowing the secrets that have been revealed, I think person A is still kind of wishing that maybe one day, fantasizing that one day, still not ready to totally end this chapter with person B. Let's see what's happening with person B now. 10 of Cups and the 3 of Cups. Person B is not feeling very proud of themselves, that's for sure. They're not feeling very happy with themselves because even though I think they were emotionally happy with person A, but I think they are feeling embarrassed and ashamed about the fact that they could not make person A happy finally, because they ended up being the King of Cups in reverse. Somebody who's seen as an emotional manipulator. Yes, the emotions were there. Emotions were 100% there. They enjoyed the company of person A. They were emotionally happy with person A. But when it came to, I think, deciding or something, they did make a choice, and that is kind of making them rather, ashamed of their own actions. Maybe they kind of treated person A like friends with benefits kind of a thing. They thought, hey, we can have fun and we are both happy, and maybe one day things will be fine again. And they friend zoned this person, knowing very well that they were never going to kind of bring this to that 2 of Cups scenario with person A. Now they are realizing what they've done and feeling quite ashamed of their action, because they are realizing that person A actually had feelings for them. They are realizing that the Queen of Cups, who's beautiful actually, is beautiful, attractive, is the go-getter, has always supported them. They're realizing that this person A really did love me. Person A really did love me, but what did I do? I never brought any kind of foundation to this connection at all. I never told them the truth. I never told them the truth here, that this relationship can never come into balance. Now here's person A with the same card, hoping and wishing and fantasizing still that maybe balance will come, and this person saying, hey, I didn't speak the truth. I always knew that there was no possibility of this ever. I was just biding my time because it was making me happy. So, Ace of Swords, Spirit. Ace of Swords. I don't think person B really had that kind of love for person A. Yes, they loved them, they enjoyed their company, they enjoyed the emotional happiness they got from person A. But where that Ace of Cups is, I think this person was very self-centered. This person was quite selfish. They were a taker. They took all the good times with person A. They enjoyed their time. But I don't think they ever promised them commitment. But they maybe kept, kept in their subtle ways, trying to hint that yes, maybe one day we'll be together. And person A started dreaming up a beautiful future. But yes, this is a very imbalanced situation here now. Temperance in reverse, Spirit. Temperance in reverse. Heart of Hearts, this person was a player, right? Heart of Hearts, this person was selfish, was a player, never really wanted to bring this relationship into a balance, and now the secret is out and they are feeling embarrassed, ashamed of themselves, because now maybe it's time to cut this connection or two people to go separate ways, and that's not making person A happy at all, because they have only been wishing and hoping for this connection to come back together, and now these secrets which were kept, okay, are now in the open, and that's hurting person A big deal. Let's see, Three of Pentacles again, Two of Wands, and the Four of Swords. So what's the Three of Pentacles, Spirit? Even though I think person A still wants to work together with person B, Sagittarius, I don't think that offer is coming. That offer to, make you my wife, or let's have stability, let's get married, I don't think that's come yet or is coming, at least for the second half of January here. Somebody is still waiting though, that crossroads, waiting, hoping, wishing, and feeling very, very restless as to what will happen now. Two of Wands, Spirit? Two of Wands. Two of Wands. Yeah, somebody feels that they got played big time. They feel this relationship has totally stagnated, or person B has stagnated it, and person A, I think here, feels that they got played big time. They got emotionally manipulated by a person who just wanted to win at any cost and would say or do anything to keep the game going. And when the secret is out, they've realized, oh my God, now they've shut it down. And now that's left person A at a complete crossroad now, not knowing what to do with themselves. Four of Swords, Spirit, in reverse. Four of Swords in reverse. Somebody is feeling very restless after these secrets have been revealed, because that puts them back in the position of being single. And I don't think that's... they're feeling very happy about that. Yes, they feel now they'll have to go out there again and try again, and they don't want to. This person is, quite tired. They are heartbroken. They're restless. They don't want to move towards new opportunities, even knowing that now that everything is out in the open, I am now back in the market maybe, and now I'll have to re-begin whatever I'm going for. One more card, Spirit, for the Four of Pentacles. Yes, they're angry. They're very, very angry. Oh my God, this feminine energy is very upset and angry. They're not emotionally happy at all. They know that they have to now start from scratch again. They are angry. They are upset. They're feeling abandoned, single, and they're not seeing any forward movement in their life now. And what about person B now, Spirit? How are they feeling? Person B? They are also a bit restless, because they feel, oh my God, yes, this relationship has taken a totally wrong turn here. They are realizing that there was no equal give and take in this relationship. This was not a balanced relationship. On their side, I don't think they're fretting or fuming too much. They are feeling, hey, it's time now for me to drop this burden. Okay? Harsh as it is, that is what this person is thinking. So I'm sorry, Sagittarius, not the brightest of readings, but I think this relationship has now lost strength here. Okay, so if you can use this sword and sever ties, I think it'll be for the best. At least right now, I don't see anything happening. If things change, I mean, tarot is not destiny, right? This is guidance as to how things are right now or in the immediate future. Things may change for you, Sagittarius. Don't worry about that. We'll keep checking up on weekly readings. But as of now, there is a lot of anger and upset about a selfish partner who's revealed that they are ready to drop the connection. So that's all I have for you. See you next time. Love and light. Namaste.